Hi guys, welcome back to 97 Projects. I'm Amy and today I'm going to be showing you how I make these beautiful blue and gold coasters. A family friend asked me to do a variation of the white and gold pearl ones that you saw in this video, except not thick with 3 C's. I think that was specifically written on the order. Blue and gold coasters, only thick with 2 C's, not 3. Perfect. So I think the first time I made the coasters, they were 120mm and they were super thick. So I've decided to go for 80mm each instead, which means because craft resin is a part A and a part B, I'm going to need 160A and 160B. And I'll be using the cups that left over from birthday parties. Oh dear. I've got to use them somehow, eh? Because they're not going to be using for parties. So this is for the lovely Louise, thank you for your order. And then we mix. We've already got our trusty gallon of water. For the colours, while that's heating up a little bit, using more. You are not the main character here today. We're going back to the Menyo mica powders, which we used in the first video. We've got ocean blue and we've got a little bit of black, just to try and make it a little bit more deeper on the blue. And then we've got some coal flakes that are going to go in there. These are the fiddly ones. Our resin is nice and clear, and I'm just going to measure out 160 into a different cup, so then we can start putting in the different colours. I did put a lot of bubbles in that then. So that might have to be the colour one. So let's go for the blue. Blue, 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 blue. Blue, blue, all the way. I'm going to start off slowly with the pigment and then we'll build up. Oh, big mistake. Big mistake. No, no. Oh, no, no. Oh, no, no, no. Oh. In the white, pearl and gold coaster video, I said that I wanted to try it with the 50-50 split, hence why I did 160 of each colour in the resin. And I said I wanted to pour them at the same time so that I didn't end up with one colour on the bottom and one colour on the top. Mm-hmm. 24 hours later and they look great. I really like them. I love how we've got a nice split between the two colours this time. from pouring it both colours at the same time. I only wish that I'd used a little bit more of that blue and black pigment to make it a little bit stronger, but otherwise these look great. The thickness is definitely better than last time, although I think we can go a little bit thinner and get a nice delicate coaster. I'm just picking off the little drips and drabs that have formed around the edges, and you can see there's a little bit of a lip around the edge. All we'll do on that is sand it down as we do with everything else, with wet and dry paper, because we don't want anybody cutting their fingers on them. That's the last thing I want to do. It's like, here, buy my coasters and get a free finger amputation. I won't bore you with the full 45 minutes that I spent sanding these bad boys down. I normally go from 150 grit down to around 2,500 grit, depending on how patient I'm feeling, and then finish it off with some turtle wax. Bought some of these little rubber feet as well to sit on the bottom so they don't slide around on the desk. I'll then package the coasters up into a box which fits through letterboxes, and then pop them in the post with the Etsy label and a thank you card. So this is the final result. Let me know what you think. Do you prefer the blue or the white? I actually really want to try black with this gold leaf as well. I think it'll look really nice together, and really on trend, to be fair. Lots of people are decorating their houses with accents of black around, so some black coasters I think would be really nice. I'm not sure I'll record a whole video for it, but you might see it on my Instagram at 97projectsyt. Thanks for watching, and if you've enjoyed today's video, please give me a thumbs up. It really helps my channel and it lets YouTube know that you're enjoying the content, so it will spam you with more of it. I'm thinking about making some large letters with acrylic paints inside the resin, so if you've had any experience with acrylic in resin, please let me know any tips. I know it can't have water in it obviously because it won't cure, but if you've got any more good tips for me, please leave them in the comments and I will try and use them to my advantage. Use your mistakes to my advantage for a change. Next time, so at the moment I'm working on a bigger project. I'm working on some real flowers in paperweights, so hopefully I can bring that to you soon. We're just waiting for like the real flowers to dry out for a couple of weeks before we can start putting them into resin. So I've been having a bit of a practice because the flowers that we're going to be using are sentimental flowers. I didn't want to do the first go with those flowers, so I wanted to do it with some testers, so you'll see that coming up soon. I haven't used my voice in ages! Right, all those tips, all those lovely juicy tips would be great. Oh. So I hope you today enjoy this video. So I hope you today enjoy this video. Why is that so hard? So I hope you enjoy. Hi guys, I'm back to the brothers and today we're going to be making some blue coasters. Oh, I don't need those yet. I haven't mixed it yet. Can you imagine me putting that in a parcel and sending it? Also, I don't know if you're aware, it's coming home, so if you could just come home, that'd be great, thank you. Southgate, you're the one. You still fill in the blanks.